I'm Pete Brimson, I'm the Operations Director at Warren Services. This is the fourth of a sequence of videos and we're going to be taking a look behind the scenes today of our finishing department. At Warren Services we are able to shot blast mild steel and stainless steel components. We spray all different types of customers' work from automotive, agricultural and stage and theatre industry. Powder coating department, we made the decision 2 years ago to move to Qualicoat as one of our main partners wanted Warren Services to take full control of all processes that we needed for their products. We decided to move away from the conventional iron phosphate pre-treatment and embarked on a journey to acquire Qualicoat. Qualicoat is a globally recognised standard. In the lab, we invested a large amount of money so that we were able to guarantee our aluminium process. We can offer a full range of service, from blasting through to painting to quality control.